Barn owls are found on every continent except Antarctica, and they can live in a variety of habitats, such as farmland, grassland, woodland, desert, and urban areas. They prefer to nest in cavities, such as hollow trees, barns, buildings, or nest boxes. They are usually monogamous and mate for life, but sometimes they may have more than one partner or mate with different individuals each year. They can breed all year round, depending on the availability of food and nesting sites, and lay between 2 to 18 eggs per clutch, which hatch after about 30 days of incubation. The chicks stay in the nest for about 8 to 10 weeks before they fledge.